In this video, I'd like to share with you a natural way to break a fever using hydrotherapy. But just a disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. This is not intended to replace your medical provider's advice. Consult your physician regarding your health issues. Let's talk about fever. We know that fever is our body's immune system response, and it is an obvious symptom that our body is dealing with an infection. Fever is a friend, not an enemy. The higher the body's temperature, the stronger the viral or the bacterial infection that the body is trying to fight off. Hydrotherapy or water therapy has been around for thousands of years. Ancient Greeks and Romans used water pools or water baths not just for recreation but for body healing purposes. The Battle Creek Sanitarium in Michigan, USA in the mid-1870s under Dr. John Harvey Kellogg as the chief medical superintendent was known for its health advocacy and natural approach to healing common illnesses and major diseases using massage, hydrotherapy, charcoal poultices, and other simple treatments. Dr. John Harvey Kellogg was a trained physician endowed with wisdom from God, used his skills in sharing natural and simple methods in treating common illnesses and diseases, using the God-given resources such as consuming plant-based whole foods, the use of light, the use of heat, cold, and water. Hydrotherapy is not commonly used in our society today, but it is slowly gaining attention. As an aspiring health and medical missionary, I use hydrotherapy myself when I feel sick. Per experience, I can attest that water therapy is effective in treating flu and fever symptoms. If you have a fever, you can do hot and cold bath or hot and cold shower. Soak in a bathtub with tolerable hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. It will take a little while for your skin to get used to the hotter water temperature. Be patient and take it easy. No need to wet your entire head, but make sure you have a cold washcloth on your forehead and wipe your face with cold washcloth to prevent overheating. After the hot bath, rinse your body with cold water for 10 seconds. A hot and cold shower works the same. It is quicker and it doesn't use a lot of water. When you do hot and cold shower, you can put on a shower cap to keep your head or your hair from getting wet. It is the body that needs the hot and cold treatment, not the head. But you can rinse your face with hot and cold water or wipe your face with a wet washcloth while in the shower. When I have a fever, I do 3 minutes hot shower, then 5 seconds cold shower. Again, 3 minutes hot, 5 seconds cold. Do this process 3 to 5 times alternately. Always finish with a cold water rinse. Make sure you don't get chilled. After the hot and cold shower, dry yourself quickly by rubbing your skin vigorously with a towel. Put on clean clothes including socks and take a rest. Take a nap or sleep. Make sure that you cover yourself with sheets and blankets. The effects of hot and cold bath or hot and cold shower help boost white blood cells and metabolic functions, and it helps increase immunity response. After an hour or so, you will start to feel warm inside and perspiration takes place. It is a sign that fever has abated. Repeat the process several times a day until the fever is gone. Hot and cold bath or shower is an effective way to break a fever, but it is not for everyone. Patients with diabetes and hypertension should not perform hot and cold hydrotherapy without supervision to avoid complications. One important thing to remember when having a fever is to stay hydrated. Take a pinch of sea salt, pink salt, or Celtic salt and drink clean water right away. Our body needs minerals and electrolytes, and natural salt provides these minerals and electrolytes. Drinking water is very important for healing and body functions. Let us not be weary in doing the right thing for our health's sake. Our body will heal itself when given the right conditions. God, our Heavenly Father, is the greatest physician. He wants us to be healthy. He created water, heat, and cold to be used for healing and for our optimum health. Stay healthy!